The interactive attendance program is a quick and easy way to make morning attendance fun for any elementary classroom. It works with any type of interactive whiteboard or computer, and it runs from the Pink Cat Studio website, which makes it easy to access on any device. With the easy-to-use class list editor, it only takes a few minutes to enter your students' names. Then you can use any of the many available attendance themes with your class. The attendance program is highly customizable with many features that allow you to set it up to meet your exact needs. You can choose the characters for each student, to show students' first name or full name, add a message or question of the day to be displayed at the top of the screen, and randomize the placement of the characters, which helps young learners to practice recognizing their name and spices things up for older students. Students touch their character when they arrive to class, and any remaining characters shows you who's away that day. You can add lunch count so that you can take attendance and lunch count at the same time. To take attendance with lunch count, students will drag their character to the lunch option of their choice. A total number of students is automatically calculated, which allows you to quickly record the totals. The subscription will give you access to all the fun attendance themes for 1 year. There are themes for many holidays and seasons, as well as fun characters that your students will love. Thank you for your interest in the attendance subscription. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me anytime.